Did Hashim?
He said, he said you can go to him and he's more than happy to debate.
Okay, so maybe we'll go to him.
Yeah, if you
Okay, let's go to him then.
Let's go to him.
So that's all. I didn't realize that's the only thing.
Let's go to him.
Let's go to Masai. Masai, yeah, please come. Please come.
You can't get me involved. I don't move in the middle.
No, please. If you, please see how they run away, please. Where is Masai?
Security.
Where is my dear friend, please? Where is Masai?
I'm gonna see it. Kari, that's why I can't. I would never.
Just calm it down, bro. Do you need prayer or something, man? You seem really hostile. You need prayer.
Where is Masai?
I don't know. He was just here somewhere.
How you gonna pray? Pray for you.
Good thing they do.
Masai is please don't follow me. Please don't follow me. So Masai, where is the Muslim? Where is Masai? My dear friends, we've been searching for the Dawa Mafia ringleaders for a long time. He was here. Masai was here. He has difficulties with his massage.
What happened, man?
What happened?
Masai, when I come here to debate or engage in a discussion, he runs away. He has his mafia gang covering him and preventing truth from entering into the ring. Now, when a Muslim young man who appeared a little bit sincere came to me and he said, "Hey, look, Masai is ready to debate you." I said, "Fine, bring him here." And he said, "Oh, the only problem is he wants you to go there." And so we have come here just in a matter of a couple of minutes. And lo and behold, Masai is gone.
Maybe he went to pray, man.
Masai has to pray all the time. All the Dawa Mafia gang ringleaders at Speaker's Corner have to pray. Where? Please come.
But don't put me in the middle. I'm just telling you.
No, please come. It's not a matter of... Please come.
Okay.
I want you... What's your name?
Madhav.
Mother.
Yeah.
All that I want you to do is help you understand.
Yeah.
All of these clowns, they'll prevent you from speaking, and they'll run away from me. You'll see both sides. Let's go.
You can
Let's
debate
go.
with him if you want to. Don't get me.
Please, shall we go, brothers? One last time. Let's try. Come on. Please come. One second. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. Please. Let Masai know. You see how they prevent? Can you see? The ring. You know what happens at Speaker's Corner? Christians prevent others from coming in because the Muslims are causing trouble.
No, that's not true.
No, you saw them cause trouble.
You coming for trouble,
including some of these fellows. What have I come right now for? Don't touch me. Don't. What have I come right now for?
You can't like describe religion as bad people. Every religion has.
Let me ask you a simple question. Have I come here so far? Have I caused any trouble so far?
You're being disrespectful. Like
Disrespectful
ways.
is not a problem to anyone. Yeah? It's not a crime.
What do you? It is.
How did I disrespect?
You're using derogatory words.
Like what?
Like you're calling people terrorists and religion terrorists and stuff.
Right now?
Yeah.
Right now I call
Like
them
30
terrorists.
seconds ago over there.
30 seconds ago. Right now I've come here. Do you think he's going to debate?
He said that if you come to him, he's more than happy to.
I am here. Please tell him you are a young Muslim who don't know enough. And you want him to debate because according to you, he knows.
He has more knowledge, yes.
He has more knowledge, or so you think. And so you think he could debate. But try and suggest to him, try and tell him, Arul is here. See what happens. Please speak to him. Please. You know him, yeah, please.
Yeah, after he finishes. When he's finished.
He's not finished. He's pretending that he's in the middle of a discussion. That's what's happening. You think he has discussions? Look at him. He's giving orders to other fellows, and they're working out orders right now to prevent conversation. The only thing he's busy with right now is preventing conversation. That's all.
Just one question.
Sure.
All the cameras, is it like documentation? Like, are you documenting it, or is it like, are you getting views online, or like, what's the reason for all the cameras? I'm just curious.
We are here. I am, and many of us are here for the benefit of people like you, Mata.
Yeah.
You know, I look at you. You are a young man.
This is his business.
Unlike this gentleman, who says this is my business, so he's
Are you
derogatory.
profiting off these videos, or is it just to spread knowledge? Are you genuinely trying to spread
I'm
knowledge?
spreading knowledge.
You're genuinely trying to spread knowledge.
Genuinely trying to spread knowledge, and that is why, whereas Maser is running away, I have come.
So then why so many cameras? Why do you not just need like one camera? Isn't that enough?
Because you are one person. The rest of the park.
One person, 10 cameras.
Please listen.
He got
Please.
10 cameras.
You know,
Lighting,
well, I'll explain to you,
Yeah.
Mother. Please listen. I'll explain. No, don't listen to him. He has failed his primary schooling, and since then he has been growing his beard. So too long. The beard is so long because he too long. You know. But I'll explain to you, Mother.
Okay.
You see, if you get an estimate, if I could give you an estimate of the number of Muslims at Speaker's Corner right now, I'll say maybe a few hundreds, a couple of hundreds.
Okay.
Couple of hundreds.
Yeah.
And I can tell you genuinely, throughout this day, you are the only one who is remotely sensible or sincere. I'm not even talking about sensible, but sincere, remotely. The rest of the crew don't want to hear. I don't want to show up. Well, for one person, I would show up. But I'll prefer to cover these things on camera. So, like Mathur in the UK, maybe there are 10,000 other sincere ones in the UK. You know what I mean? These clowns won't benefit. You see, this gentleman, he won't benefit. He is too busy operating his clown show, preventing me going near. That's exactly what he's doing. Why do you think they are surrounding? Am I attacking Mansoor?
That's not nice. Why do you have to be rude to them?
I'm not
He's
rude.
being respectful to
One
you.
camera. He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras.
With lighting and effects.
Don't worry. You know, when we spread knowledge, we need more cameras. To spread your clown show, one is enough. Now, to you, Mathur. Ask. Now, you take a burning question. So, you know how they claim, how Muslims would have told you, older Muslims, like that gentleman, would have told you that the Quran is not corrupt. It's perfectly preserved and so on. My challenge to you is this. The Bible is marvelously preserved. The Bible is great literature. Morality, marvelous. And in terms of preservation, wonderful. I know exactly what Jesus did for me on the cross. And I can tell you exactly what Jesus did for you. And I know exactly what the apostles taught others. We know exactly because the Bible is marvelously preserved. But I can tell you, this is my challenge. Islam, on the other hand, is an evil counterfeit. That's my challenge. Don't be offended. Please don't be offended. If this is true, how else can I explain this to you? This is not. If this is true, this is the only way. I'm treating you with respect. A fellow human being with respect. That's what I can do. A fellow human being, I can treat with respect. I won't assault you or attack you or whatever, even though we disagree. But I'm trying to engage in a conversation. I am genuinely going to comment to you that Islam, the Quran, is an evil counterfeit of the Bible. Please don't be offended. And I'd like to challenge you. I'll give you a few examples. Genocide. Do you think genocide is evil?
Yes.
Advocated in the Quran. Do you know why genocide is advocated in the Quran? Merely based on religious disagreement. Do you think someone should be killed, let alone a genocide? Do you think even one person should be killed or could be killed merely because they disagreed with you on religion? No. But the Quran says otherwise. The Quran not alone claims that you can kill based on religious disagreement. It also says you must commit a genocide of the Jews and the Christians. This is why what's happening in Israel is happening today. Most of the Muslims don't know history. You know the Dome of the Rock? You know Dome of the Rock? Are you familiar with the Dome of the Rock? Do you know how it got there in a Jewish Jerusalem, Jewish city? No problem.
He used to go.
I know. You see, he
It's not. Just give me 1 second.
Sure, no problem.
1 second. He won't.
This gentleman here will not take care of his sex slave at home, the Nikard sex slave at home, but because he's not concerned about the women at his home, but he is concerned that the young man won't have a conversation about Islam. That he is concerned about. Why? Because these are mafia gang members. Some of them are ringleaders, some of them are low-level minions. I don't know which one is what.